Washington looked calm on the surface, but inside the White House, decisions were already pulling America toward Vietnam. It didn't happen overnight. No single president chose a full war. Instead, 4 presidents made choices, small at first, then impossible to reverse. Each believed they could control the crisis. Each thought Vietnam could be contained. Each left the next president with a bigger problem. It began with Dwight Eisenhower in the 1950s. France had just lost its empire in Indochina. Vietnam split in two, North Communist, South Anti-Communist. Eisenhower feared another China. If Vietnam fell, he warned, others might follow. The Domino theory became official policy. America sent money and military aid south. No invasion, no combat troops, not yet. Then came John F. Kennedy, young, confident, determined to stop communism. Vietnam suddenly felt urgent. Kennedy expanded military advisors into the thousands. Helicopters arrived, equipment poured in. Officially, America still wasn't at war. But Americans were already dying there. South Vietnam struggled with corruption and instability. Kennedy backed leaders he hoped could survive. The crisis only deepened. Then Kennedy was assassinated. Lyndon Johnson inherited Vietnam overnight. Johnson wanted domestic reform, not foreign war. But events moved faster than he expected. In 1964 came the Gulf of Tonkin incident. Reports claimed American ships were attacked. Congress gave Johnson sweeping war powers. Soon, bombing campaigns began over North Vietnam. Then combat troops landed. Tens of thousands became hundreds of thousands. The war turned brutal and endless. Johnson's approval collapsed as casualties climbed. Richard Nixon promised peace with honor. Yet the fighting expanded before it ended. By the time America withdrew, millions were dead. And Vietnam became the war 4 presidents entered, but none truly controlled.